Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox on PS5. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to make sure that your Roblox account is eligible for voice chat. Now, Roblox voice chat only works if your account has age verification completed. So on your phone or on your computer, you just have to open Roblox just like I did. If you are opening it in your web browser, you will see the settings icon on the top right hand corner. If you have opened it in your Roblox player, simply click on the option of more in the left hand side. Afterwards, click on the option of settings. Over here in the settings, click on the option of account info. Over here, it will show whether your age is verified or not. If it asks you to verify your age just like so, you just have to simply click on the option of continue with selfie or continue with ID. So whichever option you choose, you just have to provide that, and basically you need to verify your age first. Once it is verified, the voice chat big option is going to become available. Now in the settings itself, when this particular age is verified, you just have to click on the option of privacy and content restrictions option in the left hand side. Over here, you just have to look for the option of voice chat. Now, sometimes the voice chat option is also available in the account info itself. When you scroll down a bit, you will find it over here in the personal section. So wherever you find it, you just have to enable the voice chat option and simply save your settings. Now you just have to move to your PS5, open the PS5 settings. Then when you go to the sound section, simply go to the microphone option. Just make sure that your headset mic or the controller mic is selected and not muted. Also test the microphone level to confirm it is working properly. After that, when you open Roblox on PS5, simply come here on the home page. Then from the home page, you just have to join any of the games that supports the voice chat feature. Now, you need to remember that not all the experiences allowed it. So once you are inside the game, simply open the game menu and look for the microphone icon. Turn it on and allow mic permissions if it asks you to do so. Now, if you still can't use voice chat, you just have to log out and log in again, and make sure that your Roblox application is also updated either in the PC or in your PS5. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.